Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is EISYATUL HANNIE binti Muhammad RUSHDAN. My metric number is 202785. Now, I'm going to be the first presenter for our video project called Peqa. Okay, for the first thing, I'm going to introduce our group member, which is first Qayyum, who act as our leader. Second is Aida. Third is me. Fourth is Piee. And lastly is Aidil. Okay, I'm going to give a brief introduction about our website, which called as Peqa. Peqa actually stands for our group members' name, as you can see. P stand for Piee, E stand for me, Eisya, and Q stand for Qayyum, A stand for Aidil and also Aida. Okay, what does our group project do, our work? Well, actually, Peqa exists as the platform for all people around the world to practice, to refer as a reference using this website. Okay, there is three majority things that our website do, which is study mode, stimulation mode, create your first code. Okay, for study mode, it's actually provide all chapters in the algorithm an example for the user to understand much more better about algorithm. Second is stimulation mode, where we can see some tutorial on how to do some coding like games, shopping cart information, and others. Okay, the third is create your first code. Create your first code is where we guide all the new users to do their first code and show them on how to do what first step, what is the second step, and all the way until they finish it. Yeah, so that is for our introduction. Now move on, I'm going to give to Aida, which she going to tell us about the objective about our website.
Next, I'm going to present about the objective of our project. So our first objective is to design an application that is easy for people to use during the quarantine. During the quarantine, people are not allowed to go out, and there's a limitation for people to go out, which is one to two people only. Therefore, our project is provide an ATM and also online shopping for people to use it at home without going out. And our second objective is to give students more information about algorithms and data structure. At the same time, they can learn through the application. Our project has provided a study mode, which they can learn about the algorithms and data structure topics such as array, graph theory, and ELF. So our last objective is to provide some entertainment options for the user, especially during the quarantine. Our project has provided a game which is tic-tac-toe, which everyone can play during the quarantine.
Hi, my name is MOHAMMAD FARHAN. They always chat alias RUSTAM. My metric number is 203732. So today I'm going to present to you about the problem statement. As we know, in our current world of pandemic outbreaks such as COVID-19, there are a lot of problems that arise to the people in their life because of restriction from communication directly. So for the first problem statement is, as we know, the student needed to do their job. So majorities they do their job, and also they are having their final exam online. So they need to access the main website of the university to get the reference. Rather than that, people that can't afford an expensive internet or faster internet lag behind from their college or from their peers when doing their test. Honestly, as we know, there are a lot of people are buying things from online. So when they are doing that, there will be some possibilities leakage of private information such as your account ID or password.
Okay. Hi, my name is Aida. So I'm going to present about the Brave Literature Review. Based on the research by Thierry Valery and Deborah Lord, the 6 critical success factors in online education is ease of access and navigation, interface, interaction, attitudes towards students, instructor technical competence, and classroom interaction. Next. Based on Mohta Abdullah 2020, Nur Azila Hussein 2020, and Amir Haider 2020 research, due to the pandemic COVID-19, universities and colleges are forced to shut down their campus. Therefore, students and teachers are struggling with the new sudden law of teaching and learning, which they need to change their teaching learning process and ways of doing assessment by having an online class instead of face-to-face classes.
Hi, my name is Aidil and my matrix number is 202788. So let's continue with the method and design. So this is the flowchart of the code. So the flowchart consists of the inputs, outputs, variable, process, and all the relation between the modes. So the roughly idea of the program is that there are three modes. That is a study mode, a simulation mode, and a code mode. You will get a better idea of it when Qayyum is going to demo it. So these are the flowchart for the code. So these are for the admin, and this is for the bank. And there's some game that is a tic-tac-toe, and then hashing, and this is for the coding simulation. So that's all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to all. I'm Ahmad Fikri bin Ahmad Jazimin with metric number of 200,359. So today, our team will demonstrate about our program, Peqa.Exe. But before that, we just want to share a screenshot of our program menu before we going to the next to our program. So this is our main menu. We have three parts: study mode, simulation mode, and create your first code. Next, we have the second part. If we enter 1, okay, we will go to this topic: array, queue and stacks, sorting, linked list, searching, hashing, graph theory, and main menu. So this is when if we input 1 in the first menu, okay. If we put 2, simulation mode. If we go back here, we put 2, we will get this menu. We have 6 choices. The 7th one is just return to the simulation, to the mode selection. Okay, so we have admin, customer, database management. So we use linked list, ATM system, arrays. Same with TikTok game, we use erase, hash the password, we use hashing methods, and Peqa's social media, we use graph theory. So what if we put the third one, create your first code? We will get this menu. Yes, I have the code with me. No, I need the code. This menu will bring us to our website. So let's get to it. So yeah, by the way, in our program, we use exe file to simply run it. So this is it. Yeah, here we go. Peqa.exe. Let's play it. So yeah, booting up, loading screen. This is our name, the menu selection right there. So we put study mode. We choose array. This is for the user who want to learn programming. It doesn't matter if they are new or they already are programmers, they can still use our program. It is user friendly, open to all people. This is autoplay, so after they completed the course, they will get their certificate like this. Isn't that cool? So yeah, it is the same for all the study mode option. So we just done with array. Oh, by the way, for the certificate, only stacks and queue topic will not get it because it has link with linked list topic. So the user needs to run the linked list topic first to get the certificate. So yeah, here we go in sorting. We have insertion and selection sort. What we done is the same thing. We will go to the Google Chrome. The code itself will bring us to the website that contain the downloadable certificate. So it's really great. Yeah. So here is linked list. We use deletion method to show the user. We can teach the user how the linked list work, and just now we can see the that data structure, how we write it, and this is searching. Okay, if the element is exists or not in the array, the user can check it. So yeah, programming is really powerful. It can do anything. So what is it now? So we in hashing methods. So we apply linked list, chaining method in our course. So graph theory method. course. So we just tell the user we have a lot of theories in graph theory, and we use adjacency matrix. So here we simulate the representation of the graph theory to the user. So we go to simulation mode, we go to the first one, admin, customer, shopping system. Let's add new product, 1 milk, 2 ringgit, yeah, product is inserted, it's product ID, and we use the second one. Oh, I think I made a mistake, braid, oh, but it's okay. Our program can edit the item that we entered. So let's get to it. Let's input number 3 right here. Yeah, as we can see, we retype the braid, and let's check. Yeah, here we go. The data for braid, the name of the braid, just now the spelling is wrong, right? Now we make a correction and it's all good. Now we delete the data. Now, so if the customer want to buy, the customer data has a link to the admin data. That means if the customer bought items like this, Ali bought item, and here as we can see in the admin management system, the item is deducted. So here is the second customer. So now we dequeue the customer. Alright, now that's all for admin customer system. Then we go to the second one, ATM banking system, Peqa Bank. So let's just put our name Ahmad and enter email ID ahmad@gmail.com. Let's go to 20, phone number, account number. Let's go to saving, 10,000, 1, 2, 3. So if we put the password wrongly, it will reject us. But now we gain access because we have the correct password. So we just deposit, withdraw. This is just a normal functions in banking system. If they want to insert the money, withdraw the money, it's work just fine. So now we go to the tic-tac-toe game. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, player 1 wins. Yeah, this is great for those who want to create games. So hashing, we put the text Peqa and we hash it. That is the hashtags. Now we go to the graph theory implementation. So this is like a social media where Aida friends with Aidil, yeah, and we want to search for Aidil's friends. We have Qayyum, HANNIE, Piee, and Aida. Want to try again? Yes. So let's search for HANNIE's mutual friends, Qayyum, Piee, Aidil. So it's all based on the graph representation right there. So we are done with the graph theory. So this is if you want to get the if you want to download our application, you can just go in the website, Linktree website. So this is our own website, which is you can get a lot of information here. And if you want the code, you can contact us. So back to mode selection. And yeah, now number 3, if the user want to code, yeah, they want to write a code C++, they can just simply click 3, create the first code. So this is the output. If they input number 3, it will link it to the Google Chrome with the help of online gdb.com online C++ compiler. So they can just simply key in their code. If they don't have code, yeah, just press 2 and yeah, our C++ code can just simply get the code from us if you want to code something. So yeah, this is how our program works. So before we end our presentation, we wanted to highlight that our program actually have built-in music. So this is how the music, if we unmute our application, we muted it for presentation purposes. So I think we have come to conclusion. To conclude, we all have applied all engineering algorithm concepts in our project, and special thanks to Dr. SYAMSIAH and for those who helped us during our project. We have gained a new knowledge on how to apply it in our daily life. We really hope that this application have a big impact on all people, especially Malaysian, to have interest in learning programming in engineering algorithm. No pain, no gain. Peqa, top 1 Malaysia algorithm app. Have a nice day.